when you do this shading, because some of you are shading everything, and now I can't tell where your answer is unless you get some of my colored pencils. So don't shade yet. This is a negative slope, and this will be a positive slope. You can remember that. You can quickly check yourself. Now, this is a dotted line. I'm not too particular about where they are. I just want to be in a general place. Where's the other one? I'll do that in a different color. Cole, did you get the second one done? Yes. Okay, so just wait. Yeah, that's just making sure. Okay. Okay. Taylor, do you have this one graphed? Where's this one going to begin? At 3. 1, 2, 3. It's up 5 to the right 3. What's wrong, Mariah? Yes. Okay, is that solid? Yeah. Just have to tell me who it is. That's all. Yeah. Yes. Who? Okay, I don't know the last name, so you gotta give me the. Okay. Not really care where they intersect. I'm gonna be getting a region. Okay, guys, don't shade yet. We're gonna do that right now. We all have 2 lines there. Okay, Jake? I told you not to go on because I'm going to show you how to shade this. Okay? If you want to graph the lines, that's fine, but let's go through and shade it. Now, some of you had some problems. I haven't graded everybody's papers because I don't have them, so you need to get those turned in. Let's do this one. Let's do the black one. Now, we're going to test 0. Is 0 bigger than -3? Yes. Okay. Okay, Jake? So I want to shade the side containing 0. So it's this side. You know what? I'm just going to put some arrows in there because if I shade, I'm in trouble. Is that okay? I want to shade this side, but I'm not going to. Now, what about this one, the blue one? Let's try 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 0 plus 3? Okay, Allison? Is this a true statement? 0 is less than 0 plus 3, or is it false? It's true. Okay, Mariah? So I get to shade the side that has the origin in it. So it looks like this. Now, what do you shade for an answer? You shade the regions that have both arrows. So I don't want this part here. I don't want this part here. I'm going to get this part right here where there's 2 arrows. This one's going this way. This one's coming this way. So that's what I want. I want this region. It's going to go down to the dotted line. So it's only going to be 1/4 of it. Okay, I don't like that. Let's use this. So that's the only thing I should see shaded. I shouldn't see anything else shaded. Because that's the answer. Yeah. If you just put the little arrows, I've taught this for years and years and years. Just put the little arrows. Somebody taught me that. I don't know. I got to test the regions. Is 0 less than -2? No, it is not. 0 is not true. It's the other side. We're going to do it. You guys, this is guided instruction.
So the first one tells everything. So for the second.
No, they both tell everything. Let's do the next one. You ready? Okay, iPads away. Yeah, just put it away. Guys,
Oh, they're both wrong.
texting, no, well, yeah, maybe the other side. Texting in class is not okay. So we shouldn't have any iPads open. Shouldn't have it open. Hey, Emma. Jake, you should move to the front. Okay, Jake, who wants to come up and graph this one? Come on up, put the graph on there. I don't care, but don't shade yet. Don't shade. Just get the lines on there. Okay? Allison, what do you have? Okay, graph this.
Will you help me?
Mm-hmm. So then you're going to, this is this one. Now you want to graph this one. It starts at 3.
Oh, they told me this one had to be dots, so I thought that.
It's dotted, but that's all you messed up on that. And then graph the other one. You see 2 lines. I should be able to check it. So put your graphs on there. You want a new one? I got a couple left, not a lot, but that's why we do everything in pencil. Oh, I won't do anything. Okay, that's what you should have. Now, is one of these, Jake, do you have both these graphs in the right place? Now, shouldn't one of these be dotted, Grant, Mariah? It's not chat time. Shouldn't one be dotted? This is less than or equal to, which means I get to include that. This one is not, but I can fix mine pretty easily. I can take my eraser. Now, which is which? This is y is greater than 1/2 x plus 2. That should be dotted, so let's fix that. Oh, this is too big. See, it's not fair, is it? Not so easy to draw a straight line, by the way. Okay, ready to do the shading. You don't have your lines there. No, you don't. I don't see them. Julian, do you have your lines? Okay. Yeah, that's Ray. I'm getting there right now. Let's do the red one, because that's the first one. Now, you test the origin. Okay, you guys? Shh. Test the origin, Julian, which is 0. Is 0 smaller than 0 minus 2? No. Okay, so 0 is not included. So we are going to shade the other side. Now just put little arrows in or you're going to have too many marks. If it's not true, you shade the other side. If it's true, you shade that side because these are inequalities. Remember what we're looking for? We're finding all ordered pairs that make that sentence true. What did I say about solving? If you knew what it meant to solve, you could solve anything. We're looking for numbers that make this true. If I try this number here, which is 10, 0, does that make this sentence true? Whoops. Okay, let's see. Y is 0. Is that smaller than 5/2 of 10? That's okay. Minus 2. That's 50/2. That's 25 minus 2. That's true. So I can't list all the ordered pairs. I have to draw a picture. And so the half of the plane, Ray, gets shaded. Now, let's do the green one. Let's try 0, 0. Ray, help me out. Is 0 bigger than 1/2 of 0 plus 2? It's true or false? This is false. That's false. Okay, Mariah, put your phone away, please. Okay. Now on the green one, do I get to include the origin, Grant? Caitlin? Kathleen? Like Alexandra? Do I get to include the origin? Is it make a true statement? Guys, if you just listen to me for a second, it's easy. If this, I know there's a lot of chit chat. Hey, guys, in algebra, can you guys be a little quieter? Okay, if you put 0, 0 into this inequality, it's a false statement. That means I can't shade that side. I shade the other side. So this goes this way. Now, the question is, where does it intersect? And Ray, I think you were right. Where do I get the double arrows? only in this region right here.
What did I say?
That's why I said you did it right. But she had a 25% chance. Nick, Emma, is that okay? We got 4 problems, and then I'll give you the worksheet, but some of you have to get some other work done. Are there only 3? And there are some examples. I don't do that. I'll give it to you, but let's graph this one. Cole, come on up and graph some lines. You were just up there. You want to do the shading? Oh, it's not that hard, but you know why it's hard? It's multi-step. It's more than one step. You got to graph one line, another line, then you got to do the shading for each one of those. So now we're up to 4, and then you find out where they overlap. Because they have to make both true. It's at -3, that's correct. -2 slope. That's right. Now, is it dotted line or solid? It's dotted. You know, and I don't really, I mean, yeah, I want the line in the relative position. How straight it is not, I'm not going to worry about it. But make sure you give me a line. Okay? Now you have to test these regions to see which side it's going to be shaded on. So why don't you try that one? You're right, there are only 3 examples. Okay. But keep it going. There. New color. New color. Okay, Allison, you got a graph for that?
Help me, please.
Yeah. A lot of makeup work. Okay, shh. We will in about 2 seconds. Is 0 smaller than -3? No. So this one shades where? Say shades this way, right? How about the black one? He did the work for the black one. Well, not really. Okay, you guys? Shh. Ray? Is 0 bigger than 1? And what's 2 times 0? Ted. Shh. Mike. I need it quiet. I don't care. Jake's supposed to be paying attention, so are you. Okay, Jake. What's Jake? What's 2 times 0? So is 0 bigger than 1? No. So this one, I'm not going to shade the origin either. It'll be this side. That's why it's so important for you guys to get your homework into me to check it. Because if you didn't do that assignment right, you're going to do this one wrong. And so where is it? It's this area right there. Ray, did you have that? Whoopsie. Yes. You only have 6 problems today. Take it that long. Pardon? Yeah. These are just like this. So here, if you want steps, you can write these on your notes. Graph the first line. Now, do you want to shade right away? Okay, if you do, then you shade the correct side lightly. Use the arrows. Then you don't have to do light. Shade the correct side. Okay, with arrows. Now, it's dotted if it's less than or greater than, because that means it's not including the line. And it's solid if it's greater than or equal to. Well, I look at it this way. This has a little more pencil, so you gotta have a little more pencil in your graph. Then guess what you do? You graph the second line. And then shade that one. Yes. You may use these on your tests and quizzes, so I'll even be more complete. Shade the correct side with the arrows. And last but not least, answer the question. Then you shade the regions that have both arrows. They'll look like that. I have highlighters. If you like to have a neat paper and want to use highlighters, it's fine. Okay, everybody, you guys, this is not okay. Sit down. Don't you touch that or you won't have a video. That's a guarantee. Because I've lost a lot.